everyone! It's Dr. Panda Toto time!
Yay!
Today, we're going to have a lot of fun at the Panda City Airport!
Aeroplane!
Moo's going on holiday to Banana Island, and she's taking her chickens too. Let's head over to Moo and see if she's ready for her flight. Hi, Moo! Are you ready to go on holiday? Yep, you've got your luggage all packed and ready to go. Ooh, and your passport and boarding pass ready for check-in. Awesome! Hey, Moo, where are your chickens off to? Oops, now your luggage is unpacked. Did you get everything back into your suitcase, Moo? Oh, I get it. You're checking your list to see if you're missing anything. Good idea. Maybe you can help Moo check to see if something's missing. Okay, everyone. Moo packed a pink toothbrush. Can you spot it? There it is. Check. What about Moo's yellow swimsuit? Can you see it? Yes, that's right. Now, can you spot Moo's alarm clock? Yep, you got it. That alarm will definitely wake Moo up in the morning. Can you find her rubber ducky? Now, where could that rubber ducky be? No worries, Moo. We'll help you find your rubber ducky. He can't be too far away. Hey, there he is, Moo! Awesome! Now everything's back in your suitcase, Moo. Time to start enjoying your holiday. Thanks for helping Moo out, guys. Be sure to watch the next episode to see if Moo catches her plane on time. Bye-bye!